Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Listen and Learn. Today, you will learn something powerful. You will learn how to reprogram your brain for fluent English. You will learn a complete 7-day method, step by step, clear, simple, and easy to follow. This video is different from everything you have tried before because fluency is not only about grammar. Fluency is not only about vocabulary. Fluency begins inside your brain, inside your thoughts, inside your habits, inside your daily routine. When your brain changes, your English changes. When your thinking changes, your speaking changes. When your mindset changes, your confidence changes. That is what this 7-day challenge is for. To reset your mind, to train your brain, to unlock your natural speaking ability. In this video, you will learn what stops your brain from speaking English, what activates fluency in the brain, what small daily actions create massive progress, how to break fear, how to speak automatically, and how to build a strong habit of English thinking. Make sure you watch this video until the end because every day in this challenge builds the next. Every step connects with the next step. If you skip something, the method becomes weaker. But if you follow everything, your fluency will grow fast, very fast. So sit back, focus, and get ready to reprogram your brain. Let's begin. Day 1, reset your mind. Day 1 is the foundation. Day 1 is the reset. Because before you learn English, you must unlearn fear. You must unlearn doubt. You must unlearn negative thinking. Your brain cannot grow in confusion. Your brain cannot learn under stress. Your brain cannot speak fluently if it is full of fear. So on day 1, you start with clarity. You start with intention. You start with a new identity. Say these sentences out loud. I am learning English. I can speak English. My brain can learn anything. I will improve every day. These sentences may look simple, but they activate your motivation center. They switch on the learning system. They prepare your brain for fluency. Next, you must remove 3 bad habits. Habit 1, thinking English is difficult. Habit 2, feeling shy to speak. Habit 3, waiting for perfection. These habits block fluency. They freeze your brain. They make your progress slow. So, today, change the story inside your mind. Say to yourself, English is simple. English is learnable. English is a skill. Anyone can learn a skill. I am learning this skill right now. Now, perform the day 1 exercise. It is very simple. Take a notebook, write this on top, my new English identity. Then write, I am an English speaker. I can learn English fast. I understand English more every day. I speak with confidence. I enjoy this process. Write it slowly. Read it again. Read it 3 times. Let your brain absorb it. This is your reset. This is your new beginning. This is day 1. Day 2, input training. Now your mind is reset. Now your brain is ready. So day 2 activates the next step, input training. Input means what goes into your brain. Input means listening. Input means understanding. Input means exposure to English. Your brain can only speak what it receives. If the input is weak, the output is weak. If the input is strong, the output becomes strong. So the goal of day 2 is simple. Feed your brain English, but only easy English, not advanced English, not confusing English, not long, heavy lectures. Your brain learns faster with simple input. Your brain absorbs quickly when the content is easy. So choose small English content, short videos, short stories, short conversations, short explanations. Listen again and again. Repeat if you want. Slow is okay. Easy is okay. Simple is perfect. Do not try to understand every word. Do not try to translate everything. Just listen. Relax. Let your brain receive the rhythm. Let your brain receive the flow. Let your brain receive natural pronunciation. Today's training rule is 1 hour of English input every day. This can be split into small moments. 10 minutes in the morning, 10 minutes in the afternoon, 10 minutes in the evening. Small moments add up. Small moments create big change. The more you listen, the more your brain adapts. The more your brain adapts, the easier speaking becomes. Listening builds the foundation for fluency. Remember this, you cannot speak a language you never hear. You cannot produce a language you never receive. So, day 2 is all about receiving. Your brain learns silently. Your brain grows quietly. Every minute of listening trains your speaking ability. You may not feel progress instantly, but inside your brain, changes are happening. This is the power of input training. This is day 2. Day 3, the shadowing method. Welcome to day 3. Today you will learn one of the most powerful tools for English fluency. It is called the shadowing method. It is simple, it is fast, and it trains your speaking muscles like magic. Shadowing means speaking at the same time as another speaker. You listen and you copy. You match the tone. You match the rhythm. You match the pronunciation. Just like a shadow follows a person. That is why it is called shadowing. Shadowing is not about perfection. Shadowing is about activation. It forces your brain to move. It forces your mouth to move. It forces your voice to respond instantly. This builds automatic speaking. This builds fluency. Here is how you do it. Step 1. Choose a short English audio clip. It should be less than 1 minute. Do not choose something hard. Choose something simple and clear. Step 2. Play the audio once. Just listen. Do not speak yet. Step 3. Play the audio again. This time, speak together with the audio. Match the speaker. Try to copy their sound. Copy their expression. Copy their energy. Step 4. Repeat the same clip 5 times. Each time you will feel faster. Each time your brain will feel lighter. Each time your mouth will move more naturally. Shadowing trains your brain in 3 ways. Number 1, it builds pronunciation muscle memory. Your tongue moves the right way. Your lips move the right way. Your voice becomes smoother. Number 2, it builds rhythm awareness. English has a special rhythm. It goes up and down. It moves fast and slow. Shadowing helps your brain understand this rhythm. Number 3, it builds instant speaking ability. You stop overthinking. You stop translating. Your brain reacts automatically. This method works fast, very fast. Even after 1 session, you will feel improvement. Your voice will feel stronger. Your confidence will feel higher. Your speaking will feel more natural. But the key is repetition. Do this for 10 minutes every day. Just 10 minutes, not more, not less. 10 minutes is enough to train your brain deeply. Remember this. Shadowing is not about sounding perfect. Shadowing is about training your brain. If you make mistakes, it is okay. If you miss some words, it is okay. Just continue speaking. Keep your voice moving. Your brain learns through movement. Your tongue learns through practice. Your accent improves through repetition. This is the magic of day 3. This is shadowing. Day 4. Active speaking. Approximately 500 words. Welcome to day 4. Today is an important day because today you start speaking actively, not only listening, not only shadowing, but speaking with your own sentences, speaking with your own voice. Many learners wait. They wait for perfect grammar. They wait for perfect vocabulary. They wait for perfect confidence. But waiting kills fluency. Waiting keeps your brain silent. Waiting stops your progress. So day 4 breaks the silence. Day 4 activates your speaking system. Day 4 builds the skill of producing English. Here is the method. You will speak small English sentences throughout the day. Not long sentences, not complicated sentences, just small ones, clear ones, useful ones. For example, I am walking, I am cooking, I am working, I am thinking, I am learning English, I am watching a video. These small sentences train your brain, they build fluency, they help you think in English, and they remove fear. Active speaking is simple. You describe your actions, you talk about what you are doing, you speak softly, you speak naturally, you speak without pressure. Here is the day's exercise. Every hour, say 3 English sentences. Only 3. That's it. It takes less than 1 minute. Example, I am opening the window. I am drinking water. I am checking my phone. These simple lines activate your language center. They open your speaking pathways. They help English become automatic. But there is something more. Day 4 also teaches you to speak even when no one is listening. This is important because you cannot depend on other people. You must be your own speaking partner. Talk to yourself. Whisper if you want. Speak quietly if you want. Or speak normally if you feel comfortable. But speak every day, consistently, even for 1 minute. Small sessions create big results. There is another technique, the mirror technique. Stand in front of a mirror. Look at yourself. Speak a few sentences. Observe your mouth. Observe your confidence. Observe your expression. This helps you feel comfortable speaking English. It removes shyness. It builds self-trust. It builds self-belief. Remember something important. You do not learn speaking by thinking. You learn speaking by speaking. Speaking is a physical skill. You must move your mouth. You must move your tongue. You must hear your own voice. So on day 4, your number 1 goal is movement. Speak small sentences. Speak simple sentences. Repeat them anytime, anywhere. Just speak. Your fluency starts here. Your confidence starts here. Your voice grows stronger from today. This is day 4, active speaking. Day 5, thinking in English. Welcome to day 5. Today is one of the most important days in your entire fluency journey, because today you will learn how to think in English. Thinking in English is the key to speaking fast. It is the key to speaking naturally. It is the key to speaking without translating. Many learners translate every sentence in their head. They think in their native language, then they convert the sentence into English. This creates a delay. This creates confusion. This makes your brain slow. Your brain cannot speak fluently if it must translate every sentence. So today, we break that habit. Today, we build the English thinking habit. Thinking in English is easier than you imagine. It does not require advanced vocabulary. It does not require complex grammar. It only requires simple thoughts, small thoughts, quick thoughts. Here is how you start. Throughout the day, look at your surroundings. Look at the things you use. Look at the actions you do, and describe them in English inside your mind. For example, this is my bed. This is my phone. I am opening the door. I am going outside. The weather is warm. I am feeling happy. These small thoughts create big changes because they activate your English brain. They train your mind to use English automatically. Do not worry about long sentences today. Do not worry about grammar today. Just think short. Think small. Think simple. Another technique for day 5, ask yourself small questions in English. For example, what time is it? What am I doing now? What should I eat? Where am I going today? What do I need to finish? And answer them in English. I am studying. I am resting. I am hungry. I am ready. This practice is powerful because questions activate the brain deeply. They force your brain to respond. They force your brain to think. Here is another method. When you see people, create simple English thoughts. He is walking. She is talking. They are laughing. They look happy. He is eating. These thoughts build fluency because fluency begins as thinking. If your thoughts become English, your speaking becomes English. Here is the final rule for day 5. Do not translate. Do not compare. Do not switch languages. Just think in English, even if it is not perfect, even if it is very simple. Perfect English does not matter. Thinking in English matters. Today, your brain begins a major change. Today, your mind steps into English. This is day 5, Thinking in English.